Break 'em. Westcott Range still here at the Soul Food Meat Company out here at the pool/soccer. I don't know what to call this area, but you remember this guy right here, Westcott Range alum, the original, the OG of Westcott Range. Awesome dude. You can see he got a little bigger, a little more handsome, a little more hair going on. Charlotte wide receiver, NFL trainee.
NFL
working
bound,
on it, man.
training,
NFL bound.
Well, into existence.
Like I said, we did a show almost 2 years ago, man. You were coming off a fantastic season. You closed as Charlotte's all-time leading receiver. Just some thoughts on your career coming out of Charlotte, man. How do you feel about it?
First and foremost, I just want to thank God.
Yeah.
You know, this would not be possible. I wouldn't be in this position or situation if it wasn't for God. So first and foremost, I want to say thank you, God. And then second, I want to thank you for having me on.
It's all love.
Thank you for having me on.
You know how to
again.
spot them around here.
That's it. But just, you know, my career in Charlotte, man, it was a blessing. It was grateful. God did everything that I asked him to do.
Yeah.
He led me through the storms.
Yeah.
He led me through the good times, and I really enjoyed every moment of it. From my coaches, my teammates, through the people that I met at Charlotte, and just through all the experiences. Getting my degree, I'm a college graduate with a business degree. That's I did that for my mother and my father, and that was a very big accomplishment that I'll be able to hold on to forever, whether I play 15 years or 3 years.
So what do you think about the Charlotte program now as you leave it? You came there, you guys started it. You were the original, you guys will always be the original team for the Charlotte 49ers. Now, how do you feel about the program as you leave it now?
Hey, we got to start it. You know, sometimes you just need to get started. We got it going. You know, it's time for Charlotte to spread its wings and start winning and go to bowl games and start and keep that legacy going and be better than we are.
Okay. So now you're going to the next level. You're training for the NFL. Now, when we talked before, we talked about, we know that for you, size has always been an issue. Guys might look and say, hey, he's too small, he's too this, he's too that. What are you focusing on as you train for the NFL?
Just keeping my mental strength and keeping my heart. You know, whatever I can do, whatever I put my mind to. Especially now with guys like Tyreek Hill, Deshaun Jackson. You have these speed guys and these playmakers that's coming into the league that's creating that path for me. You know, now it's just time for me to just follow in that path. I put on 12 to 15 pounds in the last 10 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Wes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'll never be as big as you, but, you know, at the same time, you know, I'm just keeping that speed and keeping my routes crisp and keeping my playmaking ability.
Now, what do you think will be the biggest transition for you as you go from college to the pros?
Honestly, I think it's the mental state. I think that's what's going to separate me in the mentality. Just separating myself, because everybody there is fast, big, strong, you know, so you know, that's not too much advantage I'm going to have in that department. But as far as like the mentality and how I work and how I carry myself on and off the field, I think that's what's going to separate me and allow me to be the best player that I can be.
Fantastic, man. So who would you compare your game to as you enter the game?
Mentality, I'm going to say Steve Smith. Like, I strive to be like Steve Smith on the field. Straight dog, straight bully, competing every day, competitive edge. He's a thicker dude, but still just the way he attacks the day, the way he grinds, and the way he gets after it. And then Deshaun Jackson, when it comes to just the playmaking ability, the speed, and the deep ball threat, and taking the ball and going 80.
So what would be like the ideal NFL offense for you? Do you want to be a slot guy? Do you want to...
Oh yeah, slot guy definitely. If they need me to line up on the edge, I can do that. If they need me to run 40 yards down to tackle someone on the punt, I'll do that. If they need me to hold the ball, I'll do anything to help get my foot in the door and help my team be successful.
Now, you know the Panthers looking for a slot guy.
Oh yeah.
They're looking for a slot guy.
I'm not in a position to be picky.
Right here, local guy.
Yeah, I'm not in a position to be picky. I'm going wherever God sends me.
Hey man, well, fantastic. I just want to say how proud I am of you, how great you've done, man. I always be grateful to this guy. My first guest, I was calling around trying to get people from everywhere, but this guy said he would do it. High character guy, and I'm sure he is bound for great things in the NFL and beyond. Awesome, man.
Yes, sir.
So great to see you. Best of luck, man. To you.
Always love.
Westcott Range, as always.
Big bro right here.
Eat it up.
Never